Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. DDC Wheels, your #1 source for dually wheels. And by Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
Thanks for joining us for the ride here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Our buddy John came all the way from Alaska to help us put some sound shield in this truck. Now, John, these days vehicles are mandated to be more fuel efficient, which means they have to be lighter, which means the materials are thinner, and you get a lot of road noise.
Absolutely.
So how is Sound Shield? How are you guys mitigating that road noise problem?
Well, so we have this brand Sound Shield that we created that is a premium sound deadening product. The difference in this product compared to a lot of other stuff, though, is we use 3 layers. And the magic right here is our closed cell acoustic foam. A lot of times people are thinking they want to add sound deadening, but they think it's only for vibration. But the closed cell acoustic foam is fighting what they really want to get rid of, and that's the road noise. Come from the tires, wind noise. You know, you got this big metal panel on the roof, wind just hitting it, you know. We put this on there and this dampens all that, and then the foam absorbs that noise.
Really, till you came in, I thought any kind of sound deadening was for audiophiles, folks that are putting big stereo systems in. They don't want the rattling and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
But that's not really the case. That's the smaller part of your audience.
That was huge for years and years, but now people are working from their cars. They're more professionals, doctors, lawyers, realtors, on their phone all the time. Every car comes with Bluetooth. Some guys are 30, 45-minute commutes. They're tired because they're just fighting this noise that they don't know what it is, and you're talking on the Bluetooth, or your throat is hurting, or you're talking to the kids or the passenger. So by sound deadening the vehicle with Sound Shield, it basically helps fight all that. This absorbs the noise. Now the conversation's lower, you're not so stressed, which you don't know. So that's where this product really helps out.
And you brought a few different products with you here. So what kind of stuff did you bring?
This is our most popular. This is our original stuff, the 3 layers. It's a rubber base. It has a foil inside, which helps with high frequency noise rejection. And then you have your closed cell acoustic foam on top. This material we use in almost all of our installs. Our other product we have is called Slim, made mainly for upholstery guys. It's a very thin material, kind of what most people are used to for dampening the panel. You have like your big metal panel. This material goes on it and it just stiffens the panel, but it doesn't have any road noise fighting capability. Rapid is our new product that we have. It's a sound deadening tape, which is really great. This product we use in hundreds of applications. You know, you have different components you're installing, and it might be metal to metal. Instead of like the old school guys, you know, we would put some carpet in there with some electrical tape. Now you can use this material, which is the same closed cell acoustic foam that we use with adhesive. You can wrap one corner, wrap another corner, now you have foam against foam. Even when you're doing the sound deadening, you can use it as a seam tape to connect 2 pieces together, different things like that. And then our final product is our new product called Contour. It's a sound deadening speaker strip tape, which you'd say. It's a wavy tape that is made out of the same closed cell acoustic foam, and this wraps around the speaker on the surround. And what that will do is when you're putting the door panel back on, it couples the speaker to the door plate, and then that helps force the sound inside. So this is something that we use on a lot of stuff. And then we also have a new product we're releasing in SEMA, which we're super excited about. So you got to come to SEMA to see it.
All right. So not just in automotive industry, this is being used in RVs, in homes and that sort of thing?
Absolutely, yeah. Sprinters and ProMasters, especially with the pandemic and crazy stuff, everybody's building mini motorhomes. This is a terrific foundation. The thing what I love to emphasize about sound deadening is kind of you only get one shot. Because let's say you got this new Sprinter van and you're going to put the bed and cabinets and all these things in. This is the opportunity to lay it on the bare metal and do the whole interior, the roof, the floor, the walls. And with the closed cell acoustic foam, it becomes a great insulator as well. So your heater's more efficient, the AC's more efficient. Again, the road noise killing capability, because you imagine you got this 14-foot long box and it's just bare metal and with wind and everything slapping against it. So now this is the time. So you do the sound deadening foundation, and man, then you add the interior, and you're talking lowering at crazy decibels. Now, in our industry, every 3 decibels we can get the vehicle quieter. That's twice as quiet to your ear. So in most cases, when guys are doing this with the full interior, you're gaining a 6 decibel drop, which would be 4 times quieter to your ears, which is incredible. We also have a lot of marine applications that we do, guys with inboard motors, so you can lay the whole engine compartment with this, and that's gonna help lower that drone inside the boat. Big pontoon boats for vibration and making your sub sound louder, you know, it's a great thing.
Of course, the initial build is the time to really do the entire vehicle, but it's not too late. If your vehicle like this truck, you're getting some road noise, what did we do here on this door?
It's pretty cool. This is kind of what most shops will do. What we did is we took our original material, and we created a template for it, and we basically created the shape of the door, and then we did the inner and the outer door. And what that does is that's going to give us, in a sense, 6 layers of sound deadening to help combat that sound. And we also add some contour around the speaker. These Dodgers, they usually have a 6x9 in the front door, and this will help force that sound into the cab. So now we're fighting the road noise, we're fighting the vibration, and now we're pushing sound into the cab so it's more enjoyable for the passenger.
If folks want to get Sound Shield, how do they do it?
So the best way to get Sound Shield is our dealer network. On our website, we have a dealer locator. All of our shops are on there. Also, there's some shops that aren't on there. They get through distribution and things, but a 12-volt audio shop is the best way. I definitely recommend professional installation, just because it's a little more complicated, especially the more sound deadening you do, the better for the vehicle. You're removing door panels, removing the floors, don't want to mess up with any computers or airbags, things like that. So it's better to have a professional do the installation.
It is the difference you have to not hear to believe. You can get Sound Shield or find a dealer at soundshieldUSA.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings and more great products for your vehicle when we come back.